A new beginning. My name is Zelal. I am from Turkey and I live in Turkey. I love my country. I like my city because it is interesting and beautiful. It is a busy city, but there are many things to do. I work as a nurse. I like my job because I like helping people. Every day I meet different people, I listen to them, I talk to them, and I try to help them. My daily life is usually busy. I usually wake up at 6 o'clock. First, I get up and have breakfast. Then I drink some coffee and get ready for work. I go to work in the morning. At work, I help my patients. Sometimes the day is easy, but sometimes it is very busy. I am often tired at the end of the day, but I am happy because I like helping people. After work, I usually go home. In the evening, I like to relax. Sometimes I watch TV. Sometimes I read. I also like listening to music. When I have more free time, I like walking and doing sports. I also like travelling. I like travelling because I enjoy seeing new places. New places excite me. I like meeting new people and learning about different cultures. Sometimes I want to travel alone because I want to feel more free. But there is one thing I want to improve: my English. I am learning English because I want to speak English better. Sometimes I understand English, but I cannot speak easily. I want to speak more confidently. I want to communicate with people when I travel. I think English is very useful. It can help me meet new people. It can help me travel. It can also give me more choices in the future. My goal is to speak English well. I don't want to stop when I don't know a word. I want to keep speaking. Sometimes I make mistakes, but that's okay. I think mistakes are part of learning. In the future, I want to travel to different countries. I want to see many places, meet new people, and learn new things. Maybe I will study abroad one day. I am not sure yet. But I have a plan. I want to improve my English, speak more confidently, and communicate with people from different countries. This is my goal, this is my future, and this is only the beginning. My name is Zelal. I am from Turkey. I live in Turkey. I work as a nurse. I like travelling, learning languages, meeting new people, and helping people. I want to improve my English, and in the future, I want to see the world. I am ready for a new beginning.